Hello ModReady users. A lot of people recently have been asking how to install voice chat on their server, and today I'm going to be here to teach you that. Now before we get started, we need to make sure you have two things. One is going to be your Minecraft server, either hosted at modready.gg or one of your preferred hosting providers. But if you choose modready.gg, we have a very simple to use installer to help you in the process. Now, to get started, go down on the left side of your game panel until you find voice chat. Once you click on voice chat, you will see that it will show your server version, the server software you're running, and if it is installed or not. It will also give you this UDP port. Copy this and save it for later. Now from here we can click install voice chat and wait for that to install. You'll see that it's starting and stopping our server to make sure everything installs correctly. Once the server starts back up, we can then go to files and plugins. I'm running a paper server, so mine will be in plugins. Yours may be in mods if you're running a modded server. Now I will see voice chat as a folder here because of the simple voice chat mod. In here, I will go to here and then go to voice chat-server.properties. Now you can see our port, I believe, is already the same as the one that was shown, and it was set up for us by the installer. If yours hasn't changed, make sure to change it to the port the installer recommended, or another free port on your server which you aren't using. Now, everything on here you can keep as default and it will work perfectly just as new, unless you sort of know what you're doing. Now I'm going to save content and then go back to our console and restart. Now while that's restarting, players will need to be running a modded version of Minecraft to be able to install the simple voice chat mod. I am personally running Fabric, so I'm going to be going to versions. I will choose Fabric as my version, and then I'm also running a 1.21.11 server, so I will choose that as an option also. I will download the latest version and click install. Now, one thing you'll need is either a modded Minecraft version or a mod loader like CurseForge, the Modrinth app, or anything similar that you can install the mod to. Personally, I'm using CurseForge. Now, I will open my folder where my mods are stored. From here, I will go into my mods folder in CurseForge and then drag and drop the voice chat jar that I just installed. Now I can go back to here and you see that it is successfully installed. I can then go to play and go back to our server and see that it started up. I'm going to copy the IP to this server. Okay, now that my Minecraft is successfully loaded, I'm going to go to the multiplayer option on the home screen and press proceed. I am then going to click on add server because I don't have my server added yet, and paste in the IP import that I downloaded. I'll wait for my server to ping to make sure that it's online. And whenever I can see that it's online, I'm going to click play. Now, when you load into your server, you're going to want to press V and go through the simple voice chat setup guide. Press next, and then you will choose your speakers, which for me is my Fifine SC3. I will then choose next, and then choose my microphone also as the Fifine SC3, but this is different depending on what you're using. From here I can then press next again, and I'm personally going to choose push to talk and set my keybind, which I'm going to set as one of my mouse buttons. Now from here you can see that if I press my push to talk button down the bottom left of my screen, it will show up that I'm talking. Now thank you for choosing modready.gg as your chosen host. We make sure we bring features to you quite often to make your life as a server owner and developer easier.